Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through the position property. The position property specifies the type of positioning method used for an element. And there are 5 different position values: static, relative, fixed, absolute, sticky. And for this video I'm using Visual Studio Code as my code editor. And if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my videos and find the links in the description below. Moreover, I'm also using this index.html, a very basic HTML document, to demonstrate what we are going to learn in this video. And let me show you what we have inside this document. This is index.html, and let me keep both of them side by side. HTML elements are positioned static by default. Static positioned elements are not affected by the top, bottom, left, and right properties. An element with position static is not positioned in any special way. It is always positioned according to the normal flow of the page. Now let's talk about position relative. An element with position relative is positioned relative to its normal position. Let me give you an example. Here I'm gonna add a paragraph tag. This is a paragraph, and after that I'm gonna add a div, and inside this div I'm gonna type in this is a div text positioned relative. Let's save and let me zoom it out so we can see it better, and go to the head tag, and inside tag I'm typing here style tag. Within a style I'm gonna give a reference to the div followed by curly braces, and I'm gonna add in here a property of position set to relative, and hit save. Nothing changes because we haven't give any value, say left to be 30 pixels. It's saved. Now this element is moved 20 pixels from left to its normal position. It does not consider the position of any of its ancestor, parent, or viewport positions. It takes care of its own normal position and moves from that normal position to the pixels that we specify here. Now I'm gonna add in here a couple of paragraphs with lorem text, and just to make our viewport scrollable I'm gonna copy it various times. Hit save. Now we have got this scroll. Now I'm gonna delete this styling from here. Hit save, and I'm gonna give it a background of say yellow. Alright, now I'm gonna change, or I'm gonna add a property here, position fixed. It's saved. Now if I scroll, it stays there relative to the viewport. Or you can also specify its fixed position in terms of top, right, bottom, left. Let's fix this element here, or I can check the position. By the way, if you need to learn this DevTools of Chrome browser, you can watch my DevTool based videos and find the links in the description below. And I'm gonna check the position from here, say top, to be 10 pixels, and I mean, I feel this way is more convenient because you can see the live update. Alright, so 207 pixels. Just copy this value from here and paste it in here. Now delete and hit save. So now if I scroll down, it stays there relative to our viewport. Now we have got another property which is absolute. An element with position absolute is position relative to the nearest position ancestor instead of position relative to the viewport like fixed. However, if an absolute position element has no positioned ancestors, it uses the document body and moves along with page scrolling. Now we have got another very interesting position which is a sticky. Let me delete or comment out this for now. Hit save and we just change this. I'm gonna delete this property from here and change it to sticky. Hit save and now if I scroll, nothing happens. Let's change it to dash WebKit sticky. Hit save. Now if I scroll down, nothing happens because I need to add a couple more properties here. I'm gonna type in here position sticky and top to be 0. Hit save and now if I scroll down, this div moves with the scroll after it reaches to the top of this div. In this example, the sticky element sticks to the top of the page. This div basically sticks to the top of the page when you reach its scroll position. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.